Hi guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Overbought natural gas held up by big fund diving beers seek another delay in the operational return of Freeport LNG has resulted in another rally instead in US natural gas, proving that it is impossible to beat hedge fund been on driving this thing to the hill despite growing beer's fundamental screaming of a market that's overbought. After Tuesday's first double-digit pricing in 14 years, when the $10 per thermal unit resistance was cracked gas future on the New York Mercantile Exchange, Henry, who only fell 5% in trade, a relatively modest correction by today's standards. Since then, fund long the market have dug their heels in engineering a modest rebound the next session itself. The sheer excessiveness of the market's upside was on full display on Wednesday when Freeport LNG pushed its start date from October to mid-November. The Texas-based facility, the second biggest U.S. LNG export plant, was consuming about 2 billion cubic feet per day of gas before it was shut on June 8 by an explosion that suddenly left the market oversupplied. Right after the explosion, the Henry Hub's frontman plunged from a height of 9.66 dollar to a low of 5.36 by the end of June. However, by July, the frontman was back at a peak of $9.41, a surging summer heat led to a spike in cooling demand and air conditioning that needed to be driven by gas-fueled power. But as temperature began dissipating, gas future continued to ramp higher as hedge fund in the game got deeper into the long side. Bears new doesn't count these days. The mayor's analyst at Houston-based gas markets consultancy Gilbert and Associates told the firm's clients in an email seen by investing.com on Wednesday. Logical thinking would suggest that news of the Freeport LNG export being delayed in its restart would trigger a much more brisk response in NYMEX gas futures. But since prices are being dominated by some deep pocket hedge funds that are massively long on future and option, it seems that bears news doesn't count these days. Mayor said it was interesting that just a few weeks ago, news of the Freeport terminal's return in October elicited such a bullish response that lingers for days. Shortly thereafter, a similar situation occurred when news of the mass of short oil and gas platform in the Gulf of Mexico was shut in due to a leak, sending Henry Hub's frontman speaking to offer $8.50 yet. When it turned out that the shut-in of the platform lasted less than 24 hours. God's future keep climbing. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.